Hey, awesome humans of the internet. Welcome to the coolest corner of YouTube, where tech meets health and everything in between. Buckle up, because today we're diving into the mind-blowing world of ChatGPT and how it's shaking up healthcare like never before. So, you've Googled your symptoms, right? Admit it, we've all been there. But let's be real, the internet can be a jungle of misinformation. One minute you think you have a common cold, and the next, you're convinced you've got an alien parasite. Enter the game changer, AI. Specifically, ChatGPT. This bad boy is not your average chatbot. Oh no, it's been trained on a treasure trove of text and code, making it the Sherlock Holmes of language models. It can whip up creative content, translate languages like it's sipping a cup of tea, and drop knowledge bombs that'll make your head spin. Today, we're putting ChatGPT under the microscope. We'll see how it stacks up against the Dr. Googles of the world and explore how it could become your next virtual health guru. So, if you're curious about the future of AI in healthcare, or just want to geek out with us, you're in the right place. Smash that like button, ring the bell, and let's get this party started. Before the internet, people sought medical advice from their doctors, family members, and friends. Today, people can access a vast amount of medical information online, including symptoms checkers, health forums, and medical websites. Traditional online sources of medical advice typically rely on peer review and expert contributions to ensure accuracy. However, even these sources can be unreliable, as information may become outdated or inaccurate over time. Additionally, some online sources may be biased or contain inaccurate information. AI has evolved from simple algorithms to complex neural networks that can learn and perform tasks without being explicitly programmed. ChatGPT is a large language model that has been trained on a massive dataset of text and code. It can generate text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. AI models are trained by feeding them large amounts of data. This data can include text, code, images, and audio files. The AI model learns to identify patterns in the data and use these patterns to make predictions or generate new content. AI models have the potential to be used in a variety of sectors, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, AI can be used to develop new drugs, improve diagnostic accuracy, and personalize treatment plans. Traditional online sources of medical advice typically rely on peer review and expert contributions to ensure accuracy. However, even these sources can be unreliable, as information may become outdated or inaccurate over time. Additionally, some online sources may be biased or contain inaccurate information. ChatGPT generates its responses based on the vast database of text and code that it was trained on. This database includes a wide range of medical information, including medical journals, textbooks, and patient records. However, it is important to note that ChatGPT is still under development, and it is important to verify its responses with other sources before making any medical decisions. In a recent study, researchers compared the accuracy of ChatGPT to a traditional online source of medical advice on a specific medical query. The researchers found that ChatGPT was more accurate in providing medical information than the traditional online source. Traditional online sources of medical advice typically have a vetting process in place to ensure that the information is reliable. This process may involve peer review, expert contributions, and fact-checking. Chat's responses are based on the vast database of text and code that it was trained on. This database includes a wide range of information, including both reliable and unreliable sources. It is important to note that ChatGPT is still under development, and it is important to verify its responses with other sources before making any medical decisions. In one real-life instance, ChatGPT provided reliable medical advice to a patient who was experiencing chest pain. The patient was able to get the necessary medical attention and avoid a serious health problem. However, there have also been cases where ChatGPT has provided questionable medical advice. For example, ChatGPT once advised a patient to take a medication that was not recommended for their condition. Traditional online sources of medical advice are typically static, meaning that the information does not change. This can make it difficult for users to get answers to their specific questions or to clarify confusing information. Chat's responses are dynamic, meaning that they change based on the user's input. This allows users to get personalized answers to their questions and to clarify confusing information. Many real users have reported positive experiences using ChatGPT for medical advice. Users appreciate Chat's ability to provide personalized answers to their questions and to clarify confusing information. However, some users have also expressed concerns about the reliability of Chat's medical advice. Users should be aware that ChatGPT is still under development, and it is important to verify its responses with other sources before making any medical decisions. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by providing personalized treatment plans. AI can analyze vast amounts of patient data, including genetics, medical history, and lifestyle, to identify patterns and develop treatment plans that are tailored to the individual patient. For example, AI can be used to develop personalized cancer treatments. By analyzing the genetic makeup of a patient's tumor, AI can identify the most effective drugs and treatment strategies for that particular patient. In one real-life instance, AI was used to develop a personalized treatment plan for a patient with a rare form of cancer. The AI system analyzed the patient's tumor and identified a drug that was not typically used to treat that type of cancer. However, the AI system predicted that the drug would be effective in this patient's case. The patient was given the drug, and it worked incredibly well. The patient's cancer went into remission, and they are now living a cancer-free life. AI can also be used to predict diseases and assist with medical imaging. AI systems can be trained to analyze large datasets of medical data to identify patterns that are associated with different diseases. This can help doctors to diagnose diseases earlier and to intervene sooner. For example, AI systems can be used to analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, to detect cancer and other abnormalities earlier than human experts can. One study found that AI systems were able to detect cancer in medical images with 99% accuracy, compared to 89% accuracy for human experts. AI can also be used to expedite the drug discovery process. AI systems can analyze large datasets of biochemical data to identify potential new drug targets and to predict how drugs will interact with the human body. In addition to drug discovery, AI has the potential to be used in a variety of other healthcare applications, such as administrative tasks, patient care, and virtual health assistance. AI has the potential to revolutionize healthcare by providing more accurate and reliable medical advice, personalized treatment plans, and earlier diagnosis and intervention. However, it is important to note that AI is still under development, and it is important to balance AI with human expertise. There are also ethical considerations that need to be addressed, such as data privacy, reliance on AI, and potential biases. Despite these challenges, the future of AI in healthcare is very promising. AI has the potential to improve the quality of healthcare and to make it more accessible to everyone. There are a number of things that can be done to integrate AI further into the healthcare system. This includes collaborations between healthcare providers and AI researchers, increased funding for AI research in healthcare, development of ethical guidelines for the use of AI in healthcare, education of healthcare professionals on the use of AI. By taking these steps, we can ensure that AI is used to improve the quality of healthcare for everyone. Despite the challenges, the future of AI in healthcare is very promising. AI has the potential to improve the quality of healthcare and to make it more accessible to everyone. By working together, we can ensure that AI is used to improve the lives of patients and healthcare professionals alike. Thank you for watching this video about ChatGPT and the future of AI in healthcare. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, please be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on AI and healthcare.